Hey guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. It's Cooking with Jack show. And I just want to explain something because a lot of you have been asking me, hey, how come you're doing comfort food? It's not the fall. It's usually done in September, October, November, that kind of thing. I'm doing it in August so that you can do it in September, October, November. So I'm trying to get all the comfort food videos for you in the month of August so that you can choose the one you want to do, follow my recipe, and just enjoy yourself. I took my mac and cheese over to a friend's house. They all partook in it and absolutely loved it. It went really well, so I'm pretty excited about that. So we just continue down the list. You guys voted, and I put together a nice list. So we're ready to go to the next one. And the next one, everybody knows comfort food as being chili. I've done chili on the show for years. I love chili. It's some of the best. Yes, there definitely is a beer going in. We're going to be cooking with that. I'm pretty excited though. So come on in close. And this is the one I chose. It looked like a good recipe. It sounded like it's going to be a little peppery, a little sweet, a little awesome. So come on close. I'll show you the ingredients. Then we're going to use our Ninja Foodie to throw it all together. You can use a crock pot if you want. You can use the Instant Pot. You can use anything to slow cook your chili, or you can pressure cook your chili. Either way. If so, I recommend 20 minutes, not maybe 30, no more than that. But anyway, come on in and I'll show you what I got. I got, you can do beef broth or beef stock, even bone broth beef you want to use. I don't care. Little honey, salt and pepper. We got the black beans. We got the red beans. We got the tomato paste, the crushed tomatoes, onion, garlic over here, balsamic vinegar, celery, some really weak looking poblano peppers. These are like the smallest I've seen like in my life. So I guess we're hurting on poblano peppers. So I had to grab, I was only supposed to have one, but they're so tiny I got three. Chili powder, got a beer, got my regular barbecue sauce, got my regular hot barbecue sauce. We're going to put both of them in there. Got some, however you pronounce that, Worcestershire. So anyway, every time I say that, people go stupid because I say it probably incorrectly. And you know what? It is what it is. So let's get this thing started. I'm going to show you just putting all these ingredients in. Recipe should be down below. And it's time for more comfort food. Let's do it. Oh yeah, I forgot something that was over the sink defrosting. We're using a pound of this ground beef. We're using a pound of hot Italian sausage. Okay guys, you guys ready? We're putting it all into the Ninja Foodie. If you got a slow cooker, follow the directions because I'm using a pressure cooker, I'm putting everything in at once. But the directions tell you to do it in stages, like you put the beans in the last half hour and all that stuff. So follow the recipe down below, and my recipe that I'm doing here is throw it all in. That's it. That's why I use my pressure cooker. It's going to take 20 minutes to get all the flavors melded. It's going to be awesome. All right, so let me get this plugged in. All right, guys, as always, we brown the meat first. See, it's all browned up. And I use the little drippings that are in the pan. I love those for flavor, so I don't back off. It's beautiful. It's the Rock cookware. It looks awesome. Okay, so we got our, see if we got everything. Got our meat in there. We take our beans, put those in there. Take our peppers. All right. Celery and onions. Dump them in there. All right. Bowl of seasoning. It's all listed. Alright, there we go. Now we're going to take our Worcestershire broth and balsamic vinegar and dump that in. There we go. Alright. Take our tomato paste, drop that in. Regular barbecue sauce, going to pour that in. Okay. Hot barbecue sauce, going to pour that in. Our crushed tomatoes, pour that in. There we go. Shake, 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 shake. Beautiful. Let's not forget our bottle of beer. Let's get a spoon in here. Get it all, everything mixed up. Oh yeah, look at that. It's looking good already. I haven't even cooked it yet. Now I'm gonna do probably, yeah, I stick with 20 minutes. You can do 30 minutes, I think. You'll be good. Don't forget your pressure cooker lid. Get your pressure cooker lid on. There, make sure it's closed. There's seal, there's vent. There's seal, good. All right, we're good to go. Give this like 20 minutes and we'll take a peek at it. Let's go ahead and open the vent now. See how she looks. Don't forget, water's gonna come out of the lid. I always remind you, always drip it back in before you remove it. There you go, drip, 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 drip. Now put it back here. There we go. Got some shredded cheese on top, a little bit of sour cream. This looks delicious. Look at that. Smells great. Looks good. Let's mix it all in. Let's tip it up a little bit here. Show you what it looks like. Beautiful. Is this the best chili I've ever made? It's the hottest I've ever made. I think it's the best chili I've ever made. I think it's better than Super Bowl chili, 3-bean chili, vegetarian chili, $100 chili. This is better. You want some chili? Yeah? You want a bowl? See you later. Love you guys.